Have you ever wondered how to keep track of changes in your shared team files or control who can edit them? Mastering version history and permissions in Microsoft Teams transforms confusion into confidence, and today, you'll learn exactly how. Let's start with version history. Imagine you're working on a document and a teammate accidentally deletes important content. No need to stress. You can restore previous versions in just a few clicks. Here's how. First, open Microsoft Teams and head to the channel with your shared file. Click on Files at the top. Locate your document, right-click its name, and choose Open in SharePoint. Now, on the SharePoint page, find your file, right-click, and select Version History. A list appears with all previous versions. See who made each change and when. Need to restore an earlier version? Click the drop-down beside the one you want and hit Restore. That's it. Your file returns to how it used to be. Now let's look at permissions. Maybe you want a file to be read-only for most people, but editable for a few. From that same SharePoint window, select your file, click the three dots, and pick Manage Access. Here, adjust who can view or edit by changing links or entering individual names. Want total control? Stop sharing with just a click, or limit everyone to view only. With these tools, teamwork becomes seamless. Version history lets you recover lost work. Permissions mean your files stay secure and organized. Take a few moments to try these steps yourself and see how much more confident you feel managing your shared documents. Now, collaborative work in teams isn't just possible. It's powerful, organized, and in your control.